What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Brex and Ramp. Brex and Ramp are two leading fintech companies that offer business credit cards and expense management solutions. While both aim to streamline financial operations for businesses, they cater to different target markets and prioritize distinct features. In this video, we are going to talk about some of their benefits and features, and we are also going to discuss some of their drawbacks. Let's start with Brex. Brex is a financial technology company that offers a range of services to businesses, including corporate credit cards, expense management software, business accounts, and global payments. Founded in 2017, Brex aims to help businesses spend smarter by providing integrated cards, expenses, travel, and payments in over 100 countries. Now, let's talk about its offerings. Brex offers corporate credit cards designed specifically for startups and enterprises. The key features and benefits of Brex corporate credit card include higher spending power, smarter spending controls, automated expense management, and worldwide acceptance. With Brex, business can get a card limit appropriate to their financial situation, earn up to 7 times back on spending, and instantly issue purchase cards with per transaction controls and approval flows. The card also have expense management built in, automatically collecting itemized receipts, generating memos, and categorizing expenses. Additionally, Brex's physical and virtual cards are issued on the MasterCard network, providing worldwide acceptance, and the mobile app allows users to manage their cards on the go. Brex automated online bill payment software helps businesses save time by streamlining the invoice entry, approval, payment, and reconciliation process. The key feature of Brex Bill Pay include intelligent automation, proactive spending control, and an all-in-one platform. Brex's AI-powered automation frees up the accounts payable team by automatically capturing invoice details, integrating with ERP systems, and eliminating manual data entry. The platform also enables businesses to onboard vendors, enforce spending policies, and manage all their bills, payments, and other financial data in one place. Brex's spend management software helps businesses control global spend with a single source of truth and unmatched automation of manual expense work. The key features include AI-powered automation, embedded policy controls, automated expense reviews, and live budgets. Brex's AI automates document collection, generates memos, and categorizes expenses while also enforcing custom spending policies across cards, reimbursements, travel, and invoices. The platform also provides clear visibility into policy violations and allows for automated expense reviews, reducing the time spent on manual expense management. Additionally, Brex's live budget feature increases accountability by providing real-time visibility into spending. Brex offers a business account with industry-leading yield and FDIC coverage through partner banks. The key benefits of Brex business account include maximizing spending power with higher card limits and rewards, as well as earning rewards on your spending. Brex's platform automates manual accounting tasks to help businesses close the books faster. The key feature include automated document collection, personalized assistance from Brex Assistant, automatic population of memos and fields, and intelligent categorization of expenses to departments, projects, and general ledger accounts. Brex OCR technology also matches receipts in any language or currency, further streamlining the account process. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One potential drawback of Brex is the limited customer support available to essential customers. Users on the base essential plan may experience delays and slow response times when seeking assistance from Brex's support team. To access more responsive and dedicated support, customers must upgrade to a Brex Premium or Enterprise account, which incurs additional fees. This can be frustrating for businesses that require prompt support but do not need the advanced features of the higher tier plans. Another potential drawback of Brex is the requirement to pay for certain key features. Many of the platform's advanced spend management capabilities, such as custom budgets and reporting, are only available through the paid Brex Premium or Enterprise plans. Users who need these features must be willing to pay the additional fees to access the full benefits of the Brex platform. This can be a drawback for businesses that requires these features but may not have the budget to upgrade to the higher tier plans. Brex's credit limits are based on the real-time and average 30-day cash balances in the user's linked bank accounts. While this flexibility can be beneficial, it can also lead to unexpected changes in credit limits, which can disrupt the business if founders are not closely monitoring their cash management and available credit. Brex may decrease credit limits unexpectedly, which can be a risk for cardholders. Businesses should carefully consider their cash flow and credit needs before relying heavily on Brex's credit limits. Now, let's talk about Ramp. Ramp is a comprehensive spend management platform that streamlines corporate card management, expense reporting, and bill payments to help businesses save time and money. With its robust features and global capabilities, Ramp provides a modern, efficient finance solution for businesses of all sizes to manage their expenses and stay on budget. Now, let's discuss some of its offerings. Ramp's corporate cards offer a range of benefits designed to streamline business spending. With a generous 1.5% cashback on all purchases, businesses can earn rewards while managing expenses. The absence of personal credit checks ensures that the business's credit limit is based on relevant factors like revenue, providing financial flexibility without impacting personal credit scores. Additionally, the platform offers a corporate charge card with a 30-day payback period, unlimited physical and virtual cards on Visa network, and customizable workflows and approval policies to enhance control over spending. Ramp's expense management feature simplifies the process of tracking and reimbursing expenses for employees. The automated expense management software integrated with corporate cards ensures seamless expense tracking and reimbursement. Employees can conveniently submit expenses on the go through various channels like SMS, the mobile app, or integration with popular services like Gmail, Lyft, and Amazon. Managers benefit from automated expense finishing, policy enforcement tools, and accelerated reconciliation, enabling efficient expense management and compliance monitoring. Ramp's accounting automation software streamlines the accounting process by automating receipt collection, expense coding, and categorization. The platform leverages AI-powered suggestions for expense categorization based on historical transactions, reducing errors and saving time. By expediting the final review process through automation, Ramp helps identify mistakes, flag issues, and sync data in real time with accounting systems with just one click. This feature ensures accuracy, efficiency, and seamless integration with existing accounting processes. Ramp's integration capabilities allow businesses to seamlessly connect with over 100 applications, including popular accounting platforms like NetSuite, QuickBooks, and Xero. By consolidating the finance stack into one platform, Ramp simplifies workflows, enhances data visibility, and improves overall efficiency. This integration feature enables businesses to streamline processes, reduce manual tasks, and optimize financial operations through seamless connectivity and essential business tools. The Ramp mobile app empowers employees and managers to manage expenses and approvals on the go. Employees can conveniently submit expenses from anywhere using the mobile app, ensuring timely and accurate expense tracking. Managers have the flexibility to approve spending and expenses directly from their mobile devices, enhancing control and oversight over company expenses. This mobile app feature enhances accessibility, efficiency, and convenience for both employees and managers, facilitating seamless expense management on mobile devices. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Integrating Ramp with existing accounting systems and workflows may require time and resources to set up properly. While Ramp claims seamless integration, there could be challenges in syncing data and adapting to the new platform, especially larger enterprises with complex accounting setups. As a third-party platform, businesses using Ramp are dependent on the reliability and performance of Ramp's technology. Any issues with Ramp's system or support could disrupt the company's expense management and accounting processes. Businesses should carefully evaluate Ramp's track record and SLAs before fully relying on the platform. Adopting Ramp may require employees to learn a new system for submitting expenses and managing corporate cards. While Ramp aims to be user-friendly, there could be a learning curve, especially for employees accustomed to existing expense management process. Proper training and change management may be needed to ensure a smooth transition. When choosing between Brex and Ramp, businesses should carefully evaluate their specific needs and priorities. Startups and enterprises focused on high credit limits and rewards may find Brex more suitable, while SMBs prioritizing efficient expense management and cost savings may prefer Ramp's offerings. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.